So we are finding momos, good momos. So we have tried one place. I want to try once again. We'll see the place is open or not. Till then, you guys can enjoy the roads of Kamanahalli, Bangalore. Beautiful building come up here. So this is a new building in Kamanahalli. It has residence plus a shopping center. So you want to break the rule? Let's break the rule. Yes, let's break the rule. We broke the rule. It's a beautiful place here in Kamanahalli. It's commercial, amazing shopping, amazing mandi store, restaurant, supermarket. Good place here. Beautiful area in Bangalore. One of the beautiful area in Bangalore. So this street, if you go, it's all about food. Different cuisines, Arabic, Chinese, Indian. You get all sort of restaurants here. So polar bear is here. I see Marhaba, it's my favorite place. So I come here to eat mandi. Beautiful, delicious mandi you get here. And chungwa. Tanush. Hi guys, so today I'm in Kamanahalli. So we were searching for momos. I found a place where I usually like the momos from here. So I want to try, and I want to show you guys also, like, you know, how tasty and beautiful it is. So this is a guy. It's called as Mom on Mine. Yeah, so this is a guy, amazing guy. So he's gonna make a veg momo for me. So they have fried chicken momos and veg momos, chicken momos. So you guys can try. It's right above a bar, and this is a location. Amazing. Big chicken is right beside it. So it's amazing. Mayonnaise and barbecue sauce. So 3 types of sauces. Thank you. So yeah, this is the fried momos. Very amazing. Yeah. Thank you, bye. So yeah, I'm gonna try with barbecue and mayonnaise. Cheers. Bismillah. It's amazing. You guys try? Spicy but amazing. Please try this and comment below. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers. So yeah, so I'm finding a Coke, Pepsi, something to drink. It's really spicy, so I'm gonna hit a shop here. There's a fruit shop here, and it's kind of grocery or something. So they have vegetables, fresh vegetables. I feel it's in Mangalorean style or Mangalorean outlet. Fresh fruits available, fresh juices. And there's a fan here. We have nice snacks items, beautiful snacks items, fresh and fresh broccoli. And yeah. So, yeah, nice items, good items. Wow, I found this beautiful dates. There we go. So yeah, this is beautiful, and these are the fresh ones. They have it across from Kerala or Bangalore. So this shop is from Kerala. Yeah. Cheese, beautiful. So I took this. It's amazing. I'm gonna try this, and we already go with our Pepsi. I was waiting for. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you, bye. Thank you. Amazing. So this is the place where we have a store here, Sabari. A lot of food stalls, a shopping center, a lot of things around. There's Kati roll. So here I'm gonna end up saying goodbye. I'll catch you soon. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.